Welcome back to Easy Friday. Let's now take a look at what's making headlines in the world of business. Now, the High Court in Kerugoya has temporarily stopped importation of duty-free rice, and in a case challenging the shipment is hard and determined. Politicians from rice-growing areas have argued that a number of traders are importing the duty-free rice despite an ongoing case.
Justice Edward Murithi has directed the Kenya Revenue Authority to impound any duty-free rice imported in the country over the next 3 days. In the petition, a section of politicians alleged that some traders were still importing duty-free rice despite a court order stopping the importation until the case is determined later this month. The Kerugoya locals has warned against any duty-free rice shipments, saying any imports will be in contempt of court. The government had authorized importation of 500,000 metric tons of duty-free rice to plug a deficit, of which 250,000 has already been shipped in. The courts had stopped importation of the remaining 250,000 tons after 2 cases were filed, one by farmers and the other one by politicians from rice-growing areas. Farmers argue that importation will distort prices and affect the ability to sell their grain.
Nyinyi mnaleta mchele ambao iko na ruzuku, wakulima ambao wamelipwa pesa waweze kulima, alafu ikija huku bado mnatoa kondi ambao walipi na kondi. Mnasahau mkulima mchele ametumia mafuta tingatinga ambao iko na kondi. Mnasahau kwamba pembejeo ya kulima mchele amelipia kondi akinunua hizo pembejeo.
They therefore want the government to buy all locally produced rice before allowing any duty-free imports in. During its earlier submission, the government said 750,000 metric tons of rice will be required in the first half of 2026 against a projected domestic production of 110,000 metric tons over the same period. Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.